And we're back, hopefully for real this time, to do some more building. We're starting up with bag 8 today, so let's get into it. Of course, the burnout ends, and I'm able to start building again right around midnight, which is just great. My sleep schedule is great. But I have finished building for the day, so I'm just going into the voiceovers now. I am exhausted. It is already almost 3 a.m. I really need to go to bed. But yeah, we got another bag done. Bag 8 is done. And then we have one of my cats just watching.